Good morning fishermen, bit of a rainbow over there. It's all good, it's going to rain, I might get out. Can't buy. Rightio fishermen, we've got another one. They're all in behind us. I'll get out and have a cup of coffee, I think. They seem to have been on strike. That's all good. Clouds are moving in very quickly from the west now. As we'll make the most of it for it pours this afternoon. Westerly don't work too well here, or even a sou'wester. Compresses the rip. If you've got 6 people fishing the rip, there's only 3 right in the middle where the fish are, and they're the only ones who are going to catch fish. It's just the way it works here. Same at Awaho. Oh, there we go. Great fish. Good size. 5.5. Got a stumpy little nose on it. It's all good. Go back to where you came from. Go on.